Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to upload, scan, and find your VST plugins inside Ableton Live. If you've encountered the issue of not being able to locate your VST after downloading Ableton Live, you're not alone. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Options menu and click on it to access the preferences. Once in Preferences, make sure to check that Use Audio Units and Use VST2 Plugin-in System folders are both enabled. I currently don't have these options, but you might. After that, click on Rescan Plugins. This will search for plugins installed on your computer. You'll also want to scan the custom folder where your plugins are saved. To do this, click on Browse and select the folder where your plugins are located. Additionally, ensure that the Use VST3 Plugin-in System Folders option is also selected. It is crucial for Ableton Live to recognize your plugins. Now, even after doing all this, if you still can't find your VST, don't worry, there's more you can do. Try adding the folder where your plugins are located manually. Simply click on Add Folder and select the folder containing your plugins. Once you've done all of that, you might still encounter a problem where you can't see your plugins. In that case, click on the Edit button, and you'll notice a list of categories popping up. Click on Plugins, and that is it. There are your plugins. Now you can easily drag and drop your desired plugins into your Ableton Live session. And there you have it. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.